Hey guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. I'm going to be showing you guys one of my crypto trades today. As you can see, I'm currently going short on Ethereum, and I'm moving with I'm about to leave the market with $58,000. Boom! There we go, guys. $58,000 from shorts in Ethereum. And why Ethereum melted was mostly because of the Russia-Ukraine situation, and I noticed some details from my technicals. And when things like this happen, people start pulling out their funds, out of stocks, out of cryptos, and even out of the banks, because they want to hold physical cash. And basically, I sold Ethereum from around, I think $3,100, and it melted all the way down to somewhere around $2,500, and I closed the trade and left with profit. I started this account from $500. This account started from a $500 deposit, and I have made over $300,000 from this on this account. And you've seen consistent withdrawals in the account history. So if you want to copy my trades and get access to leaving the market with profits with myself and the team every time I take a trade, like this trade for example, some people I'm connecting to my account, most have probably made like 20% or 30% of their capitals on this particular trade. And people in my membership groups, in my membership area, also got the analysis beforehand, and they also got into the trade and took the trades themselves. So if you want to copy my trades and leave the market with profits with myself effortlessly, simply by connecting your live account to my account, visit the website or send me a message. Clinton signing out, and yeah, have a nice one. What up guys, it's Clinton. Welcome to the Only Profits Academy. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make money in any market condition, and if that sounds good to you, tap the like button and let's get right into it. So yeah, I'm going to be selling the euro yen to the price I marked earlier on, and I'm going to be using my most effective trading system to try to leave the market today with 24 pips. Scalping the market for 24 pips. I'm going to take another position. There we go. I'm going to take a second off right now to modify to take profit for the other position. There we go. So I'm going to break down the trade in detail. I'm going to explain the technicals, the fundamentals, and everything in a bit. My entire thought process for getting into the trade. I'm looking at leaving the market at $20,000 if this trade hits my take profit. So I'm going to get back to you guys in a bit. Whoa, moving in profits already. Over $7,000 in profit. As you can see, the market melted as soon as I got into the trade, but dumb money traders, took the trade right back up to my entry. And I'm still in the trade. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. The trade might, go back up, or might hit my take profit. Whoa. This is amazing. You can see that dumb money tried to take the trade back to the entry, actually took it back to the entry again, but the market's gonna hit that price. Mark my words, probably less than 2 pips away from take profit. Yes, take profit hit. Take profit hit. Trust me, all these guys trying to buy right here are still going to be wiped out, because the euro yen is still going to melt all the way down. I can tell that the euro yen is going to go into a very heavy sell trend. So yeah, you can see I left the market with over $20,000. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and round up the trade. Euro yen is in some sort of a short-term sell trend right now, and my system just showed me an opportunity to leave the market with 24 pips quickly. Well, during the course of the trade, you notice how dumb money traders try to play themselves and try to buy the market. They're even still trying to buy the market right now, but this system helps me know when to get into the market and when to leave the market profits, and it has been consistent. So if you want to learn about how I trade, how I look at the market, and you want to get access to my signal group and make money with the team by copying my trades, you can send me an email or visit the website. So I hope you guys enjoyed the trade. $20,000 worth of profits made right in front of you guys, and I think yesterday I closed the $58,000 trade on Ethereum. So yeah, life is good.